Hello, my friends. This is Tyler West with Franklin West Real Estate. We are looking at 7320 Sylvan Road in Citrus Heights, California. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath property listed by the Ron Murphy team of Century 21 Select. And we're about to go take a look inside. This is a property with ADU potential, and it is on a generous 38 acres, so just shy of about half an acre. And we're going to go see what kinds of possibilities are there with this property. The property sports a detached garage, just one of 2 detached structures on this property, I believe. We're going to go see that pretty soon. We are at the end of a quiet street. I wouldn't call it a court. Here we have some family members enjoying the day. The front gate to the property opens up to this right here. Not too shabby. Some work has clearly been done on the house. I understand that this house is the product of some home flippers, and the improvements that were done with that in mind. All right, let's take a look inside. All right, we're standing in the entryway of 7320 Sylvan Avenue in Citrus Heights, California. I'm really intrigued by some of these angles. I love the possibilities here. The improvements make this house into one with modern appeal. Oh, look, you can see the kitchen over there. Looks like a door to the backyard. And off to the right from the entryway, I see what looks to be the master bedroom. Let's take a look at that first. Very spacious master bedroom. There's the master bath. His and her sink. Stand-up shower with a seat. Not too shabby. All right, let's continue to view the house. Well, my next favorite spot in the house is the kitchen, so let's take a closer look at that. Looks like right off to the right we have a nice sized pantry. Depth, almost 36 inches. Breakfast nook. It's not a huge kitchen, but they do a very nice job with the space. Cabinetry. Okay. Older cabinetry with some paint, with a fresh coat of paint. I don't know what this counter material is, but I like it. It's a smooth, has almost a painted concrete feel, but I don't think it's concrete. It's nice and smooth. Continuing through to the other side of the house, We'll take a short stop here. Looks like you've got your utility closet. With hookups. Yep, that would be correct. And one of the 3 bathrooms indicated on the property detail. This bathroom is done up pretty nice. These floors, I think, are another simulation wood, Pergo, most likely. Okay. Looks like there might have been a fireplace there at some point. I'm so intrigued by these angles in the house. And looks like we have 2 of our bedrooms. They're smaller in size. They might be better suited to an office, crafts room, or just guest bedding. Tiny closets. All right, that completes our tour of the main house. Let's go take a look at the backyard, what kind of acreage we're looking at, and the 2 outboard structures with ADU potential. We are now stepping into the backyard from the back door. Okay. So you have this enclosed patio area. Evidently wraps around to the other side of the house. I suspect that is to the front. So it is. All right, let's check out the other areas. We are now standing out in front of the house again. We're down a separate driveway, unpaved. We gain access to the rest of this property's acreage. And the property detail mentioned room for an RV to sit. This is what they were talking about here. Okay. So there's another entrance into the house. Looks like a walkway between the main home and the workshop. We'll go take a look in there right now. We'll come back for that other room, whatever that is, okay? It's got potential for a workshop type setup. It could stay as is. It looks like it could be converted into a separate living quarters, ADU style. It might even suffice as a stall for a couple of horses. That would be up to the buyer, of course, to make all the necessary improvements. And we are stepping into the yard. This is the remainder of that acreage. Little backyard shed. Clearly the yard is a blank canvas to do with and make into whatever your vision is for a beautiful yard. There's plenty of room for a pool to go in somewhere, and for the remainder of the backyard to be converted into a very comfortable, relaxing setting for enjoying California's weather. All right, finally, as we close up, we're gonna go check out that other back door, see what's going on there. This is the ADU. The interior has been completed. This is like a little studio apartment. Very nicely appointed. Let's get some light in here. Very nicely appointed. Little studio apartment. It is small. You got room for a bed. It's got a little mini kitchen and a very nice bathroom with standing shower. That's not stone, but it is beautiful. One might fetch close to $1,000 a month in rental income for an ADU like this. This is very nice, very desirable, especially to someone who wants privacy. They've got their own separate entrance, and this tenant and the homeowners don't have to be up in each other's grill all the time. All right, that completes our tour of this property, 7320 Sylvan Road in Citrus Heights, California. It is on the market for $625,000. Please give me a ring if you want to schedule a tour of your own.